Classy. Was that you?
You know me.
Yeah, I do. What's up guys, and welcome to Super Schmucks. If you'll recall, last weekend I was talking about those early morning coffee breakfast meets, and today is unfortunately one of those days. And also, just our luck, the weather is not on our side, as you can see. Today, Lamborghini Vancouver is hosting the first Cars and Coffee breakfast event of the year. Given the weather right now, we'll see kind of what the turnout is. The rain is a little bit of a letdown, but as you should probably know by now, nothing makes a car look better than that little water droplet going down it. So let's see what we can find. Shameless plug. Go Canada. Wow. Alright guys, that's it for today's shorter video, but hope you enjoyed it anyway. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and be sure to subscribe for plenty more wet Lamborghinis to come. See you later. Yes, thank you for modeling it, Katie. That really made the difference.